It's cookie decorating time. What do you think, buddy? Let's go check out what's going on. Here we go. Baby Drew's coming. Ooh, what you doing, Betty?
Don't touch it, Dad. We're not here yet.
What are you doing?
We're just taking these.
Huh?
Show Daddy what you're doing.
What are you doing?
Danny's in charge of sprinkles.
Here, I'm going to come for a better angle.
Hey, Danny, got a new one there.
All right, buddy. So will you tell me what you're doing?
I'm making cookies.
You're making cookies.
I'm making cookies for Aunt Anita.
For Aunt Anita?
Yes?
You are?
Yes. I think these are what, but they're not ready yet for Anita.
They're not ready yet? Can I have one now?
No.
Really?
Don't touch it, Dad.
Why not?
Because
Oh, there's two. I just put two. You haven't put sprinkles on yet.
Why can't I touch them?
don't touch it. I got everything in. You're gonna get sick.
Oh, I'd get sick if I touch them?
Yes.
Oh,
Wow.
wow, okay.
That's serious.
You're gonna get sick, and you better go get hurt.
Okay, well, I won't touch the cookies until you tell me I'm allowed to touch them.
Mom, tell me.
Uh-oh, what happened to that one? What happened?
It doesn't have paint.
It does have paint. It's on the other side. Flip it over.
Oh.
Oh, no. Where'd you get that one? Okay, I'll put paint.
Mommy's painting.
I will put paint.
It's a big.
Oh, I see one more. Dude, you're being very meticulous about that.
It's his job.
All right, buddy. Well, say hello, Aunt Anita,
Hello, Anita.
and hello, Grandma and Grandpa.
Let's call them.
Let's call them.
Don't call.
Okay, we'll try to call them.
Don't call them.